What's up, YouTube? I've got a fairly quick video today. I know I haven't posted in a while. Maybe I'll explain why later. But I'm going to show you how to take screenshots on your Mac. So there's a few ways that you can do this. You can use Command Shift 3, and that just takes a really quick screenshot of the entire screen. You can use Command Shift 4, and then you can just like drag and then it'll take a screenshot of that portion that you just selected. And then there's Command Shift 5, which is my favorite. So you can capture the entire screen, you can capture a selected window, so right now on the desktop, selected portion, but you're not done yet. You can also record the entire screen, record a selected portion of it, and then there's some more options here. You can choose where to save it to, you can set a timer, choose microphone, stuff like that. So it was very fast, very simple. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope that you found this tutorial about screenshotting on macOS helpful. Peace.